God is not finished with you. Even when life feels broken and uncertain, it does not mean your story has come to an end. There are moments when everything seems to fall apart, and it becomes difficult to see any hope ahead. But in Zechariah 8, God reminds his people that he has not abandoned them. What looks like an ending in your life may actually be the beginning of something new. God is a God of restoration, and he does not discard what he has created. He rebuilds, he renews, and he restores with purpose. Your life is still in his hands, and he is still working, even now. In the time of Zechariah, everything around the people of Israel looked broken and hopeless. Their city had been destroyed, and their temple lay in ruins, leaving them discouraged and uncertain about the future. But in Zechariah 8:3, God speaks a powerful promise, saying that he will return and dwell among his people. This was not just a promise of repair, but a promise of full restoration. God does not simply fix what is damaged, he transforms it completely. Even in the middle of ruin, his word remains true and alive. What looks finished to us is not finished in the eyes of God. One of the greatest fears people face is the feeling of being forgotten. There are times when life becomes so difficult that it feels like God is distant or silent. But in Zechariah 8:7-8, God promises to gather his people from every direction. This shows us that God never loses track of where we are. He knows your situation, your struggles, and your journey. Even when you feel lost, you are not forgotten. God's restoration is not only about changing circumstances, but about bringing you back into his presence. He remembers you, and he is still working on your story. The people of Israel had experienced deep sorrow and long seasons of mourning. Their lives were marked by loss, pain, and memories of what had been destroyed. But in Zechariah 8:19, God declares that their mourning will be turned into joy. This means that pain is not the final chapter of your life. God has the power to transform sorrow into celebration. He can take what caused you pain and turn it into a testimony of his faithfulness. Seasons change, and with God, joy will return again. Your story does not end in sorrow because God is able to restore joy. God's restoration also comes with a call to live differently. In Zechariah 8:16-17, he calls his people to speak truth, act with justice, and treat others with compassion. This shows that restoration is not only about what God does for us, but also how we choose to live. When we align our lives with his ways, we begin to experience the fullness of his promises. God desires not only to restore what was broken, but to build something stronger in its place. A life rooted in truth and righteousness becomes a life that reflects his restoration. This message is not only for the people of Israel, it is also for you. Whatever feels broken in your life today is not beyond God's ability to restore. In Zechariah 8, we see a God who restores, rebuilds, and renews what was lost. What feels like an ending may actually be the beginning of something new. God is still working, even when you cannot see it. He is able to heal what was wounded and restore what was broken. Your story is still being written, and with God the ending will always carry hope. What is broken today can become something beautiful tomorrow.